For days, you've been reaching out to us asking for help finding your stimulus money.
We've already heard from dozens of you, and we're not done searching for solutions. We know this money comes at a critical time, a lifeline for families just trying to survive. And you'll see what we mean when you see this new number out today. The number of people employed in North Carolina dropped by 180,000 last month. We're talking about thousands of families suddenly finding themselves without an income.
But getting these much-needed stimulus checks has been anything but easy for a lot of people. Action 9 investigator Jason Stu-Janke has been going through each and every one of your pleas for help, so many. And Jason, how many people have reached out to you about this?
Oh, dozens, Allison, and the number keeps growing. I'll tell you, this is the #1 stimulus issue people have been contacting me about, and I've been tackling this since about Wednesday when people started emailing and messaging me. It's taken some time to piece this all together. I had some answers yesterday. Today, I have a lot more answers. Stephanie Greer is like a lot of people. She used a tax prep service, in her case, Centra Tax. Centra gave Greer her refund up front. The IRS gave Centra's bank her actual refund and associated that bank with her. So Greer says the IRS sent her stimulus money there too.
I was mad.
Centra uses MetaBank. MetaBank confirms the IRS did send it people's stimulus money. It says it's sending the money back to the IRS to distribute directly to consumers.
Everybody's walking around here, oh, I got my stimulus, and I have nothing.
Well, where's my money going at?
Some tax preparers like Letitia Smalls use another bank, a division of MetaBank called EPS. She showed me this. EPS says it's also returning the money to the IRS.
I need the people to understand we do not have your money. Tax preparers are not stealing taxpayers' money. They went to the bank and we're trying to figure out, we know just as much as they do.
A lot of tax preparers like Kanisha Ingram use Republic Bank. She showed me this. Republic says it's sending money to people directly, printing and mailing these checks at our own expense to avoid further delays. You guys have been caught in the middle.
Yes. No, we're on the forefront. We're in the
You're at
middle
the forefront.
because they have those lines of communication with the Internal Revenue Service. So we're on the forefront.
I'm like a lot of other people confused, like where's my money? When are we going to get it?
Now, on top of all of this, I've been asking the big tax prep companies what they're doing, how they're handling it. If they see your money, are they going to pass it along to you, or are they sending it back to the IRS to sort out? H&R Block got back to me. It said if your account's open, it will get the money to you. If your account's closed, it will send it back to the IRS. I'm still waiting to hear back from Jackson Hewitt, but overall, the big message, Phil, I seem to be getting from everyone is eventually you'll get your money, but who knows how long it's going to take.
And Jason, speaking of that timing, you were telling me there are some other reasons people may not have gotten their stimulus money yet?
Yeah, 3 big ones totally unrelated to this. Number 1, if you didn't file a tax return in recent years. Number 2, if you filed a tax return but didn't get a refund, that could mess with your direct deposit. And third, if you changed banks recently, again, that could slow down the process.
Jason, thank you so much for this information.